So my name is Lucas, and I am going to do something. Well, I'm gonna do a craft in this book called 100 Bugs to Fold and Fly. Okay, now I'm gonna cycle through it to see which one I want. This is
You
what
can
it
keep it down here.
like.
The camera will see it.
So it's a sunflower. I like this airplane because when it goes up, it would just go down like and have a soft landing like that. Like,
So is this a fun project?
yeah. Bye-bye now.
Thanks for watching.
Thanks for watching this video of how to make this airplane.